Welcome to Text Animation Premiere Pro, the giant of After Effects in animation, the prince of video editing software. Okay, I overreacted. But in this, I will show you various ways of animating your text in Premiere Pro. Open Premiere Pro and write your text like this. Then add VR Digital Glitch Effect. Under Digital Effect, drop down Distortion section here. Then create a keyframe to the color distortion, X, Y, Z, complexity and weight, and change the value to 100. After few seconds, reset the value of all 4 effects here to 0, and few seconds then reset to 0 of these 2 also. Let me play it and see an awesome animation. Let's place the animation to scale also. One here and one here, and opacity also. Nice. Or under transform section, you can play with the value of X and Y and Z and create whatever you like. And yes, save the animation as a preset. Right click and save as preset and name whatever you like and hit OK. Let's move on to the next animation for this. Add wave wrap effect to your text and you can see bunch of options under wave type. You can select any of it and play with the value of height, weight, direction, speed, and you'll create bunch of text animation with this single effect. Let me make one for you. Just select the noise and set a keyframe to height and width here. Then increase the value and then reset it obviously, and animate this text by increasing the scale also, one here and one here, like this. Not looking good. Let's animate with the opacity also. Look, isn't it new and cool? Now with the last effect, add turbulence display to your text animation, and under turbulence display there's a bunch of options here like amount, size, offset, complexity. Increase the value of amount just about 100 and decrease the value of size to 10 to 30, whatever suits you, and increase the complexity to 10, and then keyframe the size and offset and create one here and another here, and see, looking good. And wait, we need to add video in text. For this, go to the Essential Graphics and click here and export the file from here. Then drag that video just under text layer and open text layer and hit this mask with text option, and see, you get this amazing effect. And guess what, you can play with the value of this and create whatever you like. You can combine any effect just I show in this video and create this. And guess what, if you want to improve your editing speed, you have to see this and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye guys.